This is the reverse chain stitch. And you're going to see it produces the same chain, but in an opposite direction. And it uses a slightly different technique. So I am showing you this because you can decide how you prefer it. So we're going to start by pulling our thread 1 stitch length forward. And you're going to see this is in the same variation of a lazy daisy as well. And then I went back down just right next to that first hole. So I've got my loop of thread here, okay? And I'm going to come up at the bottom and over, bring that through the loop, and then I'm going to make that loop, and I'm going to make a lazy daisy for this first one. So I'm going to go on the outside and I'm going to tack it down just like that. So to finish this off, I've gone underneath and I'm going to come back down in that same hole, and then I'm just going to tie it off in the back.